There are two variations to the words pene, pena, pera, and fene, fena, fera. Altogether they mean like this, like that, and like that over there. In Tainui you will hear both versions being used, although the most common version will be fene, fena, fera, and feneki, fenaka, feraka. Study the chart of like this, like that over there. Pene, pena, pera, peneki, penaka, peraka. Fene, fena, fera, feneki, fenaka, feraka. Kia pene te tu. Call. Kia pene ke te tu. Stand like this? No, stand like this instead. Kia whera te maha, kao, kia whenei ke te maha, kia toru. The amount is to be like that over there? No, instead the amount is to be like this here. Only 3. Make your own sentences using like this, like that, and like that over there. Choose the variation that suits you, or use both versions to understand what different iwi prefer and why. Kia kaha, kia toa, kia manawa nui.